What's up everyone? Today we're building this live poll component where authenticated users can vote, see who voted for what with user avatars, and watch results update in real time with animated progress bar. I have built this and I'm just going to show you the code because I think this is better for you, because if we build it's going to take much time, but if you like, you can leave a comment in this video and I will create step by step. The same thing I have done also with Laravel Polar payment. So here is the example youtube.test, and as you can see, what is your favorite PHP framework, and which right now I am logged in as Hector, I have voted for Laravel, and also someone else has voted for Laravel. Another one has voted for Symfony. Okay. Now I'm going to open a new browser, and let me just copy this URL and come here and paste it to that URL. We need to sign up. I'm going to sign up with a fake filler. We need to zoom it. Okay, you can see we have 3 votes here, and let's vote Laravel or let's vote for Symfony. So we have 2. And as you can see now, we have 2 here, 2 here. And also if we go back, yeah, now we have also on this one 2 here and 2 here. If I go back and log out, go to dashboard, I'm going to log out, and let's go and register with a new account. We can navigate to that URL, and we have 4 votes. Now if I vote for Laravel, now we have 3 votes for Laravel and 2 for Symfony, and the same thing is going to be here. Okay, now this is only for the authenticated user. You can add also based on the IP. So for example, if from this IP only we can vote only 1 time, but because I wanted to test, I removed the base IP. And now let's show the code. Okay, first let's start with app models. We have poll here, the model, protect fillable, question, and is active. Cast here is active to be a boolean, and we have a relationship with options, vote, and also here we have a total votes returning these options, sum votes count. Here we have option model also. Option has poll ID, label, and votes count. Relationship belongs to poll and votes, and also percentage. If the total votes is 0, it's going to return 0, otherwise it's going to return this one. Then we have also vote model. Vote model has a poll ID, option ID, and the user ID. Now here, as I said, you can, if you want, you can add also the IP based here. We have a relationship with option and a relationship with the user, so this belongs to the user. Next, a database migration, and let's start with the option here. Option has poll ID and label and votes count. Polls has just a question and is active, default true, and the created and the votes with a poll ID, option ID, and user ID, and also unique poll ID and the user ID, so one user can vote only 1 time. Okay. Database seeder. When we run, we created first these 2 users, then created a poll, questioned what is your favorite PHP framework, and also options. Create many, label Laravel, Symfony, Coordinator, and Cake PHP. So we are going to create with the seeder. Also, you can see option seeder and so on. Next, what we need to show you is, we can go to routes, web routes, and here we have the route get poll, and passing the poll ID here and returning the view poll. And here we want to show you also the view poll blade, which is just HTML with including the partial heads, and also including this Livewire poll voting component, which I'm going to open right now. This is a single file component, and we have public poll, assigned poll, and also boolean has voted to be false by default if the user has voted or not, and then also selected option ID to be null. On mount, first we get the poll, so poll load options vote user. If existing vote where poll ID, this poll ID, and where user ID, auth ID first. We get that. If exist, this has voted is going to be true, and this selected option ID is going to be existing vote option ID. Then we have a computed total votes, display here the votes count, and also the vote method passing the option ID. So if has voted, it's going to return. Otherwise get the option, so option where ID, option ID, where poll ID, this poll ID, first or fail, and then DB transaction passing the option vote create poll ID, option ID, user ID, and then option increment the votes count. Then it's going to say poll load options votes user has voted to be true, and selected option ID to be this one, and then dispatch a vote cast here. Now let's see the header. So poll questions, poll header here, and this total votes, string plural vote, this total votes cast. Logged in user indicator, voting as the auth username. Okay, so voting as this one. And then we have options, which is the options here. So for each poll options, also option, and if has voted, so results view animated progress bar plus the voter avatars. And here we have a background progress bar class. If is selected, is going to be indigo and indigo 900 on dark mode, otherwise gray 100 or zinc 800. Okay, which means if I come here, we have voted for Laravel, and because this has voted for Symfony, you can see this has the indigo color, the Symfony, and here the indigo color is in Laravel because we have voted Laravel. Okay, displaying the label and displaying the votes count for this option. So label here and also the count here. And the percentage also here. Then voter avatars, so displaying the avatars. Username, also check for extra voters. Voting view, clickable buttons. When we vote, we click, and also footer here. Thanks for voting. Click on option to cast your vote. And casting your vote here, so login indicator. That's it all about this component, the single file component with Livewire version 4. And we have this example of a poll with real-time votes. And that's it all about this video. Now, if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.